Agile procurement is one of the last bastions of Agile. So for an organization to be effectively Agile, everybody needs to think in empirical manner. So short feedback loops, time to market, flow, validating feedback, moving backward forward. Now, if your contracts are not set up to support that, it creates a real tension because your interactions with your partners then becomes locked into the classic project phase, and you'll often find you have to create some arbitrary work or do things out of sequence for a really important point. It's commercial. They need that particular point to be hit so that they can be paid. And you know, you large organizations, we're talking about millions of dollars, millions of pounds, sometimes higher. So Mirko Kleiner is the guy who came up with the idea of Lean Agile Procurement. He's the thought leader in this space. And I know Mirko through the Agile Circle, and I went to explore it and understand it and do the train the trainer with him. And so Lean Agile Procurement, if we unpack that, Lean is the principles of minimizing waste, maximizing flow. Agile is the collection of practices. It's a philosophy of how do we maximize the value delivered in the shortest time frame while managing risk and being able to adapt as we learn. So both of these principles can be applied in situations of high uncertainty and high complexity. And procurement does what it said in the tin. You know, you've got a company who wants to buy things. The pivot that Lean Agile Procurement brings in is we're no longer looking at it as an us and them. It is much more collaborative and less transactional. So by working collaboratively with prospective partners, you're able to validate the relationship. So it's more like dating rather than getting married straight away. So you've got a chance to test how you're going to work with the other people so that you can build the foundational contracts and agree and discuss how you can create win-win scenarios for the two companies involved.